The Yentia demonstration kick-started at the Obra Sport at the Kwame Nkrumah Circle. The gathering saw people like the General Secretary for the National Democratic Congress, Johnson Asiri Nketia, lawyer Francis Xavier Susu, Sam George, and ABA Fuseni. Other groups in participation included mobile money vendors, concerned drivers, and Okada riders. According to the convener for the Coalition of Concerned Ghanaians and youth organizer for the National Democratic Congress, George Opariado, this demonstration is a medium to notify the government of the plight of Ghanaians.
We have the power to effect the action that we seek, and the action is what we are doing today. Colleagues, we thank you very much for turning out in your numbers to be part of today's struggle. Like the national chairman of the NDC said, this is the beginning of many protests that we intend to undertake to make sure that President Nana Addo Dankwa and his NPP, including Mahmoud Bawumia, do the right thing for the good people of this country.
Some of the protesters also shared their frustrations with us.
Right now, as we are here, they stopped toll booths by being collecting. Now the road minister is telling us that he want to convert that toll booths to what? A toilet. Huh? Does this make sense?
One, the E-levy, you not accept it. Two, you promise us 1 million jobs. Where is it?
You have to go to Libya because all the Ghanaians will run away. We can't say if Nana Addo is still on president in Ghana, we all will die. Because most of the school children, a lot of them have been pregnant. They are being by force mothers.
Also in attendance was the convener of the Justice for Ghana movement, Bernard Mona.
We are all affected by the negative aspect of the electronic stealing levy that the government of Ghana is trying to bring about. So therefore, any group of people that go out there to manifest the fact that the ramifications of E-levy are monumental on all of us, they have our blessing and we must support them to achieve same. My son is also in school, and the fact that the university people are not teaching, it means that I am also heavily affected. I pay for private hostel for my wards, and now they will not consider the fact that the universities are on strike. All they know is that they paid for 6 months, and when the 6 months is up, they will have to be...
As said by Opariado, the Coalition of Concerned University Students also registered their displeasure.
We are embarking on this demonstration to tell the government that they should look and resolve the issue of UTAC strike. We are suffering. We as students are suffering. We get up in the morning, in the hostel, you have nothing to do. All what you think of is to find food. And
if Ghana is able to waste money on Black Stars, who will go and play a tournament and return after getting just 1 point, we've gone to pick another coach. You are paying him $12,000 a month. Is that a month or a week? You are paying him all this money. You can't pay.
It's been 5 weeks and I haven't been to class. I haven't seen my lecturers, and then it's been 5 weeks. I've just been at the hostel wasting money, and always my parents have to send me additional money for up.